Alright, so right now I'm actually inside of the back of my Chevy Trailblazer, and I wanted to give you a car camping guide, basically what I take with me car camping. And this is actually my first time setting up the cot in the back of my vehicle. Before I would just lay down a bunch of blankets, but the cot is actually going to work. It lays in here snug and perfect, and there's plenty of storage underneath. I've got so much room left, and I cannot wait to take you on this journey. So I have this Coleman cot that I paid $60 for at Walmart, and it fits all the way into my vehicle. So that's going to be pretty nice, and I'll show you a picture later on in the video about how I set up in the vehicle. I can fit a lot of stuff underneath the bed. So I've got my day pack, I've got a 5-gallon collapsible water jug. I also decided that I wanted to bring an extra full charged battery with an inverter. I've got my trail runners and my hiking boots. Also my polar bear soft cooler, which is one of my favorite coolers. It keeps things cold for days, and you can also use it as a dry pack when you're boating, so I think that's pretty nice. I also I think this is the 36 pack polar bear cooler. I also have a 12 pack polar bear cooler that I keep behind my seat, and I can put extra water bottles and stuff in there, so I can just reach behind and grab the water bottles. I also have a gallon of water under here, some shade type deals for the window, and also I have shade coverings for the front of my vehicle, so when I sleep I can put those in. Let me show you around the back. So in the back I have the dishes for the dog, his food. This is a collapsible table from Ozark, and also my camping chair. Inside these bins I have some pots and pans, my jet boil stove. I have some Mountain House meals. I probably won't eat that, but I just keep Mountain House meals in my car no matter what, just in case of an emergency. I've got some water shoes, the dog's toys and whatnot, a lantern. So basically a lot of stuff can fit, a lot of things can fit in here. And then over here I have a jumper cables with an air compressor and like a charger. I also decided to bring an extra liner for the bed, and I have some camera equipment down there, my tripod and whatnot. My car's really dirty, I'm gonna go get it washed. And as you can see, I have the dog's bed because it likes to travel like that, and I carry some extra water bottles, collapsible poles, so that he can have some water while we're driving. But the setup is not too bad. I'm pretty excited about this. I've actually never fit my cot inside the back of my car before. I think it's gonna go really well. I can still fit so much more stuff in here, but no sense in loading it up. It's only gonna be about a 2-day trip. So I'm pretty excited to share this car camping trip with you. Stay tuned for the next videos. There will be a series of videos for my trip into Death Valley. Alright, thank you. I've got plenty of room for just myself in the back seat here. Basically my seats are folded down and the cot's right there. It probably wouldn't be ideal for 2 people, but it's just me and the dog, and the dog sleeps with me every night, and I have minimal room anyways, so I think this will be a really great setup. found it important to bring extra supplies for a few days just in case I run into some problems. Everything I've shown here are things that I feel are important for my trip. Thank you for watching.